I always stress that we can't pour from empty cup and that we have to take care of ourselves and that we have to practice self-compassion for ourselves as helpers. You know, we give and we attend and we provide, and yet we have our own context in which we're living through. And the best thing we can do for our young people is to make sure that we take care of ourselves. Because if we don't, we risk not only burnout of ourselves, what we also risk is that we work through our own stuff through them. And that can be very dangerous, right? And I see that sometimes in the work that I do when adults are fulfilling their own needs through the kids in which they help. And we can't do that. That's not fair for them. And that's not good and not kind to ourselves. So please lean on your people. You brought a couple of them into your mind and your spirit today in our presentation. Who are your people? Who are your where are your safe spaces? Where are places that you can feel affirmed and you can ease your spirit and your anxiety? Make sure that you call upon them also, just as I know you provide to those around you.